How to grow on YouTube with VidIQ. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use VidIQ and how you can use it on YouTube. So let's get into it. So VidIQ is basically an extension that you can add onto Chrome, add on your Google, and add on YouTube in order to get a bunch of different analytics that you can use in your favor to grow your channel. So let's get into it. So it's actually pretty simple, and also you can find the link in the description below for VidIQ. You will also find a bunch of other offers that you can use since VidIQ is not free. So if you're gonna go ahead and purchase a plan, you want to get those discounts. So click the link in the description below to get those discount codes. So let's get into it. So first things first, you can just sign up by using your Google account. Doesn't really matter. And you can also install the extension over here, which is the browser extension, by clicking on that button and then clicking on installing the Chrome extension right here, VidIQ Vision for YouTube. So once you've installed it, you should be good to go. Then you can go onto YouTube. I'll open it up now and it should be good to go. So I'm gonna wait for it to be installed, and it'll ask you to sign in or sign up again. And once you've done that, it'll say you are directing you to Google, and then they basically show you this little video showcasing all of its pros and cons. So this is the extension right here. Let me open that up. I'll pin it right here so we can see it. And now if we open it up, you can see all of your options. So I'll dismiss this. And this little tab, this was not appearing before. So you can see right here, you can see all of the views, all of the engagement, the outliner, the PHV, which is views per hour. You can see this little graph or this chart that shows us the video. These are the total views. And if we select the views per hour, you can see right here, it goes up and down again whenever someone watches it. Again, we can go ahead and watch other videos as well. So for example, if I go on premium, if I click on YouTube, and then I just select whichever video, right? Let's go ahead and select this video. This is by Predictive History, Professor Yang. Really good, great guy. I highly recommend you check him out. And here you can see we have these buttons right here. So this is the remix button. If you click over here, you can add a competitor or add advanced. You can embed it. You can see a transcript of this entire video over here by subtitles, everything. You can click over here, the get button, to get it. You can see the views and the overview option over here. So this is the overview of the channel. You can see how many subscribers this guy has gained. You can see right here is the starting point. The views just kept increasing over here. And then this is the AI coach. How do I get more subscribers on my channel? Give me 3 similar ideas. So you can use this tool to increase your productivity. You can increase your analytics as well. So it's really cool, and I highly recommend you check it out. So make sure you check the link in the description below for VidIQ and how to use it. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.